What's going on, guys? This is Wild Brandon here. It's a beautiful Wednesday, and I figured I'll make a video on my wonderful 2003 Yamaha Vstar 1100. The things about this bike is it's V-twin. That's the cool thing about it. It's a 5-speed, which I'm not used to riding, but it's been a wild ride. The thing about this bike I've noticed is this bike is just making a chirp queen. That's the main thing I wanted, a chirp queen. And it's a good looking bike. It's comfortable. They don't have a gas meter on there, but I'm figuring out a way to get one on there. These handlebars, they came off a 2008 Screaming Eagle Road King. These are not the factory bars, but they came off of that bike. I made them fit. That's what we're about to go get right now. And yeah, let's head over there. What's going on, brother?
Hey.
See what we got here, guys. Barnett clutch springs. These the 64-pound ones, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. That's what I got right here, guys. See, it says clutch spring conversion kit. So, yeah, we're gonna go head back to the house now, get this installed, check them out. Like I said, any of your hog needs, parts, tenders, high performance, just simple tune-up, replacements, Fedora bars, anything covered, jackets, come check out Hog Parts Pros, located in Los Angeles off of Crenshaw Boulevard. Like I said, there you have it. The jack stands on both sides of the frame. Makes my bike nice and even. This is also a good way to work on stuff. You don't want your bike leaning. Okay, so right here, we're gonna take off this bolt and this bolt. We're gonna loosen up the exhaust. If I'm not mistaken, those are 12 millimeters. To loosen the oil pan bolt, that's a 17. So let's go ahead and get those tools together and take them off. So I got those bolts taken off right there. I got the container almost filled up with the fresh oil I did just put back in there. It's at AutoZone. It's the Lucas 2050. Though this bike takes 2040, it's hard to find 2040 out of my neighborhood. This one I used Allen Key 6 H6. Those to like dealing with all my little conversion sockets and stuff. So I'm gonna put him back in there so I won't lose him. That was the only one like that. I'm gonna leave that tool next to there. These two bolts here, I'm going ahead and move them out my way. So this whole foot brake, it could fold down and I can move the exhaust even easier and move this cover out the way. With that, I'm not mistaken, I think it was a 14 millimeter. Let's go ahead and get to it. I'm just gonna use the tools. I'll set my bolts right there. This flips out my way, and there we go. And just give it a wiggle. Be mindful, there is an exhaust gasket, a little circle one that Yamaha uses. They've been using it for a while. You're one and only. There we go. Just give it a little wiggle. So now you got, let's see, if I'm not mistaken. You really only have to take these two out, but I take this off anyways because I just want everything to be tight and secure. But you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 bolts. Mine, like I said, I took this cover off before, so I lost a bolt there and I lost a bolt here. But we're gonna have to go ahead and break these seals off and stuff so we can get this kit installed. So let's get to it. Alrighty. Go ahead, crack this seal here. Be mindful, it could still be oil droplets. Alrighty. So let's take the rest of these screws out. There we go. As you see, guys, I just use regular gasket maker. So we'll clean this up, slap it back on there. But now we're at the main finale. The factory comes with the it comes with a factory paper gasket. I do recommend that, but I don't have one, and there's not one shop near me that supplies it. So we're not going to use one. So there we have it. So what we're going to do, we're going to replace all these bolts in this plate. This big plate you see right here. And replace this with the Barnett kit. We'll go ahead and get started. If I'm not mistaken, I think this were a 10. Let's double check, yep. Okay, so here we have it. My glove ended up ripping anyway, so no big deal. That's how you do this stuff without a glove. So, just be Michael Jackson one-man glove. Okay, so put these screws aside because you will need them again. It was 1, 2, 3, 6 bolts in total. So, like I said, we're going to use everything that Barnett supplied to us. There we go. Alright, so take out this plate. This is the main plate that flexes everything into it. Won't be using that no more. And if I'm not mistaken, oh wow, them clutches are in there. We're not going to be using this anymore if I'm not mistaken. But do keep in mind, it does have this little bearing on the inside. Let's set him back in there. Make sure we keep that bearing, that's the most important. I'm not sure about this ring, but we'll find out. So let's get back to our Barnett box. Barnett clutches and cables. It has been inspected for all that we want inside. If you're looking for it, I'll put these codes in the comment below so you guys can see what type of parts and stuff if you want to do this for y'all Yamaha. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Like I said, I ordered the 64-pound springs. You know, it already comes with 48 pounds, but you know, I just always go overboard. And this is the Barnett clutches, well, clutch conversion kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. Let's see what's in here again. So we have spring conversion packing instructions, pressure plate, spring hold down ring, and the springs, which is 48 pounds by 1 inch. The hanger springs are needed, or the part number, which are these. I'll put that in the description. They also sent us some Barnett stickers. You know, each sticker is like 1 horsepower, so it's like 5 horses right here. So we're gonna put those on the bike also. Like I said, we got our 64-pound springs here. Let's go ahead and open them up. This is cool. It says race test and proven. And you know, everybody I know, that if you don't have Barnett in your bike, I don't know what you're doing. Jesus, these springs are tough. Them are some tough springs. Let's go ahead and get this opened. I'm trying to see if there's a nice, pretty way we can open this, but I guess not. Alrighty. So now that we got it out this packaging, so there it is. They said you come with a similar plate like the other one. Come with 48-pound springs. See how these ones are more easier to squeeze, but we're not going to be using those. There's not even a way we could bond them together anyways, but we're not going to be using these. We're going to be using the other ones. So let's go ahead. Let's get this installed. Oh, just look at that. Just look at the thickness. Like I said, it's hard to squeeze this. It's easy to squeeze the gold one, but it's hard to squeeze the bronze painted orange one. But they fit, and that's the ones we're going with. Alright, so I'll go ahead and put it. I went ahead and put it on there. The GoPro died in the other one, so but I went ahead and put it on there. Just slides on there with the screws. Let's put them right there. And we're gonna go ahead and put their pressure plates. So if you actually look at them too, this one is way thicker by like 1,000. So gonna use all their stuff. Warranty needs. Now what I usually do is I go cross patterns and then duals. And the recommended torque is 5 to 6 foot-pounds, 60 to 72 inches per pound, depending on how you want to read it. But the instructions is pretty much a picture that's straightforward. They say drain everything I told you guys to do, and they say rotate until fully seated in the tube, which everything's fully seated. So we're gonna go ahead, put this on real quick, and get back to it. Get up on there before we go. Yeah, 6 pounds is not that much, so just make sure you do it. Just watch it. It's like 30 seconds of a turn. I don't have a measuring tool, but if you want to use one, be my guest. So behind here is our carbon fiber clutch plates. Here is our Barnett plate. The Barnett cover, all of their equipment installed. We replaced with our own screws. Now, if I'm not mistaken, way tighter. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and put this back together, and I'll catch you with you guys for the startup. Back, it's been a minute. Let the bike dry up. We don't got no leaks. So we're gonna go ahead, test it out right now. Barely let off the clutch. Definitely has a lot of snatch, a lot of clap. Damn near wants to really off the ground. I definitely recommend getting a whole Barnett kit. Thank you. As you guys hear, this thing is not funny. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to this video. Comment if you have any questions or concerns down below. Once again, this is the 2003 Yamaha Vstar 1100, aka Purple Rain as everybody calls it. So stay tuned for more videos, updates and stuff. Have a good one.